5 tips, must-know RV camping tips. Planning an RV camping trip? Whether new to the road or a seasoned traveler, these quick tips will help you stay safe, organized, and ready for adventure. Tip number 1, plan ahead. Research your destinations and make campground reservations early. Use RV-friendly apps to avoid restricted roads and always have a backup site in mind. Tip number 2, safety first. Inspect your tires, lights, brakes, and propane systems before every trip. Carry a first aid kit, fire extinguisher, and basic tools. A pre-trip safety checklist goes a long way. Tip number 3, pack smart, stick to the essentials, and avoid overloading your RV. Use storage bins and collapsible kitchen gear to save space. Don't forget leveling blocks and wheel chocks. Tip number 4, practice setup and breakdown. Know how to level your RV, hook up water and electricity, and secure everything for travel. Practicing at home will make your campground experience much smoother. Tip number 5, respect nature and fellow campers. Follow campground rules, minimize noise, and clean up thoroughly. Practicing leave no trace helps preserve these spaces for everyone to enjoy. Before you set out, make sure your RV is properly insured. From liability to comprehensive coverage, Klinger Insurance Group can help you find the right protection for your journey. Call 301-428-4935 today. Like and subscribe for more RV and travel tips.